To begin, open the Telegram app on your phone. Next, open the group or channel where you want to schedule the video chat. Then, tap the group name at the top of the screen. Now, under the group name, tap the Video Chat button. A menu will appear at the bottom of the screen. Tap Schedule Video Chat. Now, select your preferred date and time for the video chat. After that, tap the Start button below with your chosen date and time. The video chat will be scheduled for your chosen time. You can start it immediately, share it with others, or access more options by tapping the three dots in the top right corner. From there, you can cancel the video chat, disable messages, share the invite link, edit permissions, or change the video chat title. Scheduling a video chat on Telegram helps you organize meetings in advance, and ensures everyone joins on time. Members can get notified to receive reminders by pressing the Notify Me button. So that's how you can schedule a video chat on Telegram Messenger.